and all, how to transform and all that in Fabric. So today we are going to be continuing from where we started our last class. So I will just hand over to Mr. Olajide now, and I'll be here to monitor the class. If there's any question or any, um, if you can't hear at any point in time, please just indicate by reacting or raising up your hand in the class, and then I will listen to you and I will let Mr. Olajide know what is going on. So thank you all very much for joining. I would also be looking out for other other things that we need to work on. And at the point in the class, I'll also be dropping the feedback form. The feedback form is for us to just feel, and then it's to help us to get better at what we are doing. So it's to help us to you know understand how we are performing, and how to do better, or how to serve you better, or how to teach you better, and how you can understand the entire scope of what we are doing. So I would come back again during the course of the class with the feedback form. But at the moment, I would like Mr. Olajide to start, I'll take over and start the training now. So Mr. Olajide, over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. And thank you everyone for being on the call at this time. Thank you so much. And please forgive my voice. Like everyone has been very busy, I think I've also been very busy. But I'm going to share my screen now. And any point in time that I'm too fast, please let me know if I'm too fast. And there are no stupid questions. I'll be sharing my entire screen now. And please confirm when you can see my screen.
Your screen is available, it's visible, so we can see.
We can see your screen, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, man. So I'll put it on projection mode. So, and I'll also give a background, like agenda or step by step of what we want to do. So this is my screen on projection mode. And what we want to look at today is implementation of real-time intelligence within Microsoft Fabric environment. And I put a subtitle saying that empowering smart decisions through streaming data or streaming analytics. Now, I'm not new to it, so I'm just going to jump this. And then the agenda is, what we want to do is more than this. I just put this here to just so we can give like a guide. Then I'll move to this. The reason why I want to go through this slide is to help every one of us so that we can have an understanding of some things. Maybe I won't be very detailed because it's much more than what we can do within a short period of time. But of course, we'll touch on this according to Microsoft documentation. So this is just to give us an overview or something that has to do with Microsoft Fabric, which some of us are not new to. So some of the things we'll be doing today revolve around this. So meaning that the component of unified analytics, what are those key components? There is what we call event house. We'll be creating event house. One lake is within the event house. Then we'll also be creating event stream, which is to help us do data cleaning. Then we would also set an alert for trigger. It's more than this, but this is just those key things. Now, just to help someone, or just help, just help some of us. So I'm not going to be reading through the slide, but it's just to give some people an idea of what this is all about, why real-time intelligence matters. So, and I just put an example here. Let's say you run a company that give out cars, maybe Uber, boats, and some other, organizations that give out some things real time. So I said car renters in Lagos could also adjust pricing based on sudden rainfall. Of course, 2 weeks ago, and also last week, I remember I tried to order a boat, and then when I saw the price, and before rain started, I thought I was trying to check again. I saw that the same place where I just checked a few minutes ago, like 3 minutes or so, maybe 2, 3 minutes, the price is now looking as if it wasn't the same place I checked before. So that's what we are trying to say, that real-time analytics or real-time intelligence could influence, could affect some things, all right? So, this is relatable. Reason why I use this example. So what does this unlock? Faster response time, customer satisfaction, reduce risk. And I just say use case in Nigeria and Africa. So these are some of the use cases, right? And I will just move away. This is just to help everyone or anyone to understand the deep things about what we want to do. Then, this is very important. While I was trying to prepare for the session, I felt some people will ask some questions about this particular one. So I had it in mind to do the difference between what we want to do and what Power BI would do differently, right? So if you look to my left, that is talking about real-time dashboard, because we'll also be creating real-time dashboard within, or based on what we want to do today, right? And so the difference between Power BI dashboard and real-time intelligence dashboard. So I may not have to read line by line. This is captured so that when we, of course, we are looking at the screen. So well, I'm sure we have an understanding because I think this is broken down. And if there's a question regarding this, just know that this is also recorded and we'll be sharing this. And at the end of the day, we can pause this, look at it line by line. But real-time dashboard is not like Power BI that is detailed. So that's kind of the difference. So real-time dashboard is not the one with filter, I want to slice, I want to dice, no. So the purpose is just to have instant insight from streaming data. That is the real-time dashboard. Whereas Power BI is not like that. Deeper storytelling, you get. So I'll just move to the next one. Then I also, of course, based on the thought that I had that did this previous slide, then I just also felt that someone will ask, okay, when it is appropriate to use this over this? And that's why I put the use case and the best tool to use for this. So in case someone already had that in mind to ask, this also has answered your question anyway. So, and then with the thought also, I was like, okay, because this is not Power BI, all right, some of us are used to it. So if I want to do this, what will I do? You must also get data, right? So you ingest data. So we have the one from Microsoft and we also have external platform. Sorry, am I fine? Can I proceed? Because I'm sharing my entire screen, but I heard the sound. Shall I proceed, please? Is my internet fine?
Yes, it's fine. You can go ahead, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Then these are external sources where we can get data from. My point, external sources. Then how to connect your own stream. You go to real-time hubs. You see it when we get started and you want to create event house. Then you transform Abjunto. Then you do what we call, you put it in a destination, then you want to also visualize. So this sums up everything. And then we get started. So I will minimize this and I'm already in this, which is the environment of Microsoft Fabric. And I'll come to workspaces. If I'm doing anything that is new to you, just let me know. The normal thing is that you come to app.dis. Of course, you must have access to do this. So when you get to this, then you want to create workspaces because, or you want to create a workspace because that would, whatever you want to do must happen within a workspace. So I'll come to workspaces, then you click this and create it. I already created one, excuse me. So it's just an environment. Now, everyone that wants to follow, in case you're like, where is the data set? I don't have the data set. The data set is not the one that can sit on your desktop. We need to get like, because this has to do with real time, so it has to be something that is like a streaming data. So if you work in an organization where you have streaming data, then you will be able to access by using your username or the parameter to get to access the data. But Microsoft already provisioned some for us that we can use, because if you don't have access to streaming data, then you can't do this. So what is the first thing to do? We've created a workspace. After then, we want to add some things within the workspace because there's nothing here yet. So what will I do next? I'll come to new item and I will look for a guy called, if you remember my slide, we talk about events house, right? So I'll just search for event. I'll use this later because we need to create the environment first before we can then get data. This one has to do with transforming. So this is what we need to do first, right? Can you see rapidly load and structure? So I'm going to click on event house. Then a dialog box will show asking me to put a name. So I hope there won't be this one has lost down. Okay, let me see. Let me be sure. Okay. Okay. I want to begin events. Maybe I need to refresh events house. I hope it will respond in time. Or I should just refresh my. Okay, please let me refresh. Oh, okay, let's confirm we can still hear me. Hope my internet is fine. Okay, thank you. I see your answer. I'm wondering. Okay, you know what? Let me just do this again. Close this. Okay. Oh, so let's wait. Yes. Sorry, not that one. It's this one. Something that I checked a few minutes ago. This shouldn't cause it's the right place. Okay, that is it. And I have so first this again. Let's see. Oh, fabric is into this one. Okay. All right. So thank you. Then I should come to this environment and I should click on new item and I should look for event house and I'll choose this. This shouldn't. Okay. Shagun, can you respond? Do you have access to Fabric? I wouldn't know why this sometimes, this is something I still create during the week. Let someone confirm that you
Okay,
can
let
hear
me
me.
check.
Please check.
App.fabric.com.
Yes, please do. Let me refresh again. Because without creating that, okay. Oh, you know what? Maybe I'm just going to delete and let me just create a new, but that's not the reason why this is happening. So let me create a new workspace. Or let me try one more time. Events, event house. Oh, thank God. Okay, at last. So let me call this, I'll just give it name, my bike, or my bikes. Then I'll click on create. Good. All right, so just like that, an event house has been created. I'm just waiting for it to show. So when this environment opens, what will I do next? That's something that's supposed to come with it. So hopefully this would answer out on time. So sorry again, because this one, everything happens online, and I'm not sure it's my internet at this time. And I don't want to refresh while this is to show. I can use anyone's account if anybody has Fabric. All I need is just to share a screen. But this is not, I'm not sure, this is not from me, this is from them. But let me just try and
So, Mr. Jide, I have logged into my Fabric. Maybe I don't know. Of course, I'm using Fabric and I'm logged in. Let me
okay.
see if I can.
Then share your screen. Share your screen with him.
Okay, just
So
briefly look at it if it's good enough. Oh, it's been a while
don't
since
worry,
I've used.
let me stop sharing this first. So share your screen.
Okay.
Because this one that is still taking time to load here. Well, while I wait for
This
your
is
screen.
my Fabric screen.
Okay, let me come and look at it.
So sorry, sir. I dropped a message on the platform. I received an error while trying to create the Fabric event house. I don't know if you can quickly help me check it out, please, sir.
Okay. Upgrade. Yes, you need to upgrade to trial.
So let me quickly do that. It is showing me that. Okay,
yes, I've done that. But
so you might want to also refresh. If you have upgraded, just refresh. I hope it's not Fabric that is having issue right now. Olusegun, I'm looking at your screen and create a workspace. Let's see first. So go to workspaces.
New workspace.
Yes, new workspace. So you can name it. Maybe you want to use Alphabet so that it can be the one that is like top. So you can say AI community, you know, our name on the grid.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it. Okay.
Okay.
Then scroll down. Let us check that you have scrolled, then expand advanced. No, you do not have, because you need to be on capacity for trial or something. So the person that got an error, you might want to refresh. Let me. Oh wow.
Yeah, I've tried that several times. It doesn't work.
Mr. Shegun, are you using your Jire account to launch onto Fabric?
Yes, I am. So it is actually asking me.
Why don't you use your developer accounts?
I don't know. It's asking me to do a free trial.
Okay.
I've not
It has
started that.
created from my end. I think they are having issues, so you just refresh. But I had to step out and step in, so I will come back. because this was kind of the other class, so we had these issues from them, not, I mean, but it's fine. I will share my screen now. So when we can see my screen, let me know. Let me know when we can see my screen.
Yeah, we can see your screen, sir.
Okay, so what happened, right? When you create, when you create that event house, two things will show. So let me go there again. It's just now be saying that I hope they will not be taking time to load this thing up.
You might need to do a recap so that they know how you get it. So that
Yes, I will. It's to say you can see. I wouldn't know why it's taking eternity for. Okay, let me go back. So what we did, right, was to click on new item, and then I search for event house, right? And event house is the one that would need to accommodate whatever it is, everything we want to do. So you can see is the one in terms of trying to accommodate everything we want to do, right? So do we understand? When I click, then I gave it a name. The dialog box that shows saying that I should give a name. So I gave it my bike, and when it's dropped, which all of us we didn't see because it was taking time, this will come naturally or normally with it. Okay. So that's how we got it. Now I'm supposed to be able to go into it right now. And I hope that is not just keep rolling, because I want to do a live demo with it. I don't want to show the one I've done previously, because even if if this will be taking time, I'll just use one of the ones I've done, right? And I'll be telling us the steps. But if we have someone that has, this is not my internet. I'm not sure this is my internet. So if you have someone that is trying to do this and his own is responding very fast, maybe we can use your screen, meaning that I can use anybody's screen to deliver this. So while I wait to get, okay, let me step out again. Let me click. It's just that going straight to this one. Okay, let me refresh and see if refresh will help us to. Okay, no, so I won't say is there workload on it every Saturday. That won't be right, but it's fine. Let me step. Okay, so let me try it open. Should I use, because this shouldn't take time at all. So should I use the one I have done previously to kind of walk us through? Is that fine? Please let me get a response.
Go ahead and use one that you have used before. So you need to walk them through later, but at least let's move on.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Hello, am I audible? I said go ahead and use the one that you have created before. If you need to run them through later, fine.
All right.
To save time.
Okay, so let me come back here.
Am I audible?
Yes. Okay, so let us, I hope that this would also respond because it's the same thing. Okay, so let me explain. Right. So we created a workspace. I added a new event, which is called Event House, which I call the bike. Okay, hopefully we won't have the same thing. Let me refresh. Wow. So I think this is coming from Fabric. Okay, so let's see. Let me get the feedback from the person that, if there is noise around, they kindly help us mute so that's please, Oyindamola, are you still getting error? Please, I need a feedback.
Yes, even up to now, I've tried to refresh several times and it doesn't work.
Wow. Okay. Do you mind sharing your screen? I've stopped sharing. Because
I'm actually using my system. I'm using my phone to connect. Maybe I can, let me see if it is possible for me to log this call on my system, then I will connect.
So, Mr. GD, I think I've upgraded or activated the free trial on my own Fabric. So I don't know if it is good enough.
Yeah.
Let me try.
Please share your screen. Let's see.
Okay.
Let's see.
So to create a new workspace.
Okay. Yes. Create a new workspace. Then you can scroll down to check. By default, if you're within the Fabric, is to apply the trial. So
is this okay?
Correct. Then click on apply.
Okay.
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 So now what we need to do will then be to click on, you can collapse this this double arrow that divide this to two so that you collapse it up. So bring your cursor to the bottom, middle to your right. Yes, the double arrow, then it's going to, once you click on it, it's to bring it up instead of dragging. Click on the double arrow to your right, correct. Then click on new item. Then search for event house.
This one.
Search, you see streaming, you see organized streaming. Yeah, the other each.
Or
Good,
the event
house.
stream.
No. You are fine. Event house.
Okay.
That's really correct. Please go ahead. Then a dialog box should show.
Okay.
Good. So you can give it any name. Please, if there is noise around you can let's just call it let's just say, okay, Saturday is fine. You can just say see. So when you type, you might want, don't put space.
Okay. Let's go.
And you can also keep it simple so that it's not long.
Oh, okay.
AI start is fine. Okay, it's okay. Then click on create. So when you click on create, while we wait for it, it will show. Okay, correct. Good. Don't worry about getting started. You can just good. Awesome. So everyone, what you're seeing is the event house. But in order for you to not feel like, oh, what is this? I don't understand, right? Please, when you create event house, KQA database will come with it. Let's look at it from the left so that everyone can understand. You will see that there is, from the top left, is showing you that you're in an event house, and the name of this event house is AI_Saturday, and database and monitoring dashboard kind of will come with it. Then if you then look down, you see KQA database, right? So naturally, the database comes with it. Now, all you need to do, click on the name, click on that KQA Saturday, that AI sat. Good. All right. So if you, no, you are fine. This is just for people to see what is there. And if you look to your right, you see database details. You can click it to expand that side, like far right. Correct. Now, if you scroll down, you will see, no, don't scroll too much. You will see, no, scroll back. up a bit, you see one lake. Look at one lake is disabled. But it's fine. I think it's available. It must be turned on. When enabled, database are available. You get. Please go ahead. Yes. Enable. Good. So what I'm still seeing it rolling, so don't worry. Then when it's done, if you scroll down, there should still no, you're fine. Just scroll a bit. There's a scroller by the side. Yes, still go ahead. Please still go ahead. So
That's the end.
okay, good. It's fine. It's just for people to see everything else. So please scroll back up. Just know that I'm waiting for you to scroll back up. No, by the side, to your right.
Okay. Okay. Yes,
Good.
yes, yes.
Then there is the fast scroller to your right again. Please scroll back up.
I've done that, sir.
There is one far right. Thank
This
you.
one.
It's fine. It's okay. I think there was a delay. So everything is fine. What we are trying to show now is that when you create event house, right, and you give it a name, KQL database come with it. KQL database would come. Please,
Hello.
if there is noise around it.
Hello. Hello.
Sorry, who is saying hello? If
It's
someone is
me,
saying hello, you can
Rashid.
show with a raise. Okay, please go ahead.
So somebody is,
Okay.
I just feel somebody just dropped in the group chat now that the new code is not letting her in. So for me, I think that we might need to debug that error so that all of us can learn. You know, the whole essence of this session is for people to be able to replicate what we are learning. Do you get my explanation, sir?
Yes, sir. New code.
There is somebody called Michelle Emmanuel. She said new code is not letting me in. What can she do?
Sorry, so Mitchell, if you are here, I don't understand new code. Maybe it's me. Okay, she couldn't join. Is it that she can't join the class? Mr. Rashid. Okay.
No,
I don't know. Mitchell, are you on this call?
The code was not letting me into the chat room. I've been trying to come in since for like 15 minutes.
But you are here now, right?
I'm here now.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Okay,
so
okay.
Is here now.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, so okay. I would kind of go over this again, but we will not create again. My point, okay, please, Shegun, come to the workspaces on your left, AI data workspace. Click on the workspace name, which is AI and data community. To your far left, click on the name of the workspace. The name of the workspace is AI and data community. Directly under One Lake catalog.
I've done that, sir.
Oh, I'm still seeing that you are within AI SAT. I want you to go into the workspace, not in this KQL database, correct? So if you click, good, I see it now. So for the person that just joined, what we did was to create a workspace, which I think everybody knows how to do that. But if you don't, we'll just show. Please, Oluwasegun, help me click on workspaces, but we'll not create a new one. So everyone can do this together with me. If you're on your laptop, we can do this because we'll be access. If you have that is if you have a trial or you have, but we are not creating new workspace. So then we'll make click on creating workspace. When you create that workspace, you give it a name. When you give it a name, we have created the workspace. Please cancel it so that we can be within the workspace environment, the one we call AI and data community. So if you don't hear me, okay, good, it's fine. Now, when we created the workspace, we type AI and data community as the name of the workspace. Everything was blank, nothing was there before. So we then click on new item. Please go, let's demonstrate it for people that just joined. So when we click on new item, something would open to our right. So I'm using the layman to say an interface anyways will open to our right. If you click on new item, you will then search for event house. So if you search for event house, you see event house, then you choose event house, but will not choose it. So when you choose event house, a dialog box will show asking you to type the name of your event house. You can cancel this. So when you put in the name, two things would come with it. So good. So the name that we gave if you look at name and type, you see that under type there is event house. The name of our event house is AI_SAT. Now, when you click OK, it will then show these three things, that within the house, there is KQL database. And because we will also be querying, we'll be writing KQL script, that is the language to query the database. But right now, there is nothing in the database. There is no table within it. So we can't query anything, meaning that, of course, you cannot write script against empty space, right? So what do we need to do next? We need to, okay, so after, please click on the AI SAT, that's AI_SAT, so that I can take
You mean
us
the event
into,
house or the
no, the
KQL data?
KQL database.
Okay.
So when we click, it will take us into the database environment, right? No, okay. Just know that maybe there's a delay. If you click on
There is
KQL
actually a delay.
database,
Yes, sir.
okay. So the database environment, good, I can see it now. So after we got here, we now expand database details. Oh, your screen is, okay, good. So we now expand to our right, database details. Then we enable what we call one lake availability as a kind of storage anyways. So it is fine. So let's go back to the workspace. Meaning let's go back to AI and data community. So I just want to follow simple way, right? So that it's better for everyone. So now we will then add another item. Though I see it's still loading. So the new item and search for event stream. So let me ask everyone, I hope I'm not too fast. I hope you are fine. Please, can I proceed? Okay, I see thumbs up. Greg, I see your hand up. Do you want to have a question, or you think we should proceed? Because you are raising your hand. Oh, good. I see thumbs up. So you can help me lower your hand, because when I see hand, I'll think that you want to ask. Thank you. So hold on, look at what event stream does. It captures and transforms, you get real-time event, this and that. So click on it. When you click on it, this is not the only way to do this, but this is me trying to just follow. So when you click, you should also see a dialog box that will ask you to give it a name.
I'm
If you are
waiting for
saying
the
it,
dialog box. Okay, the dialog box is here.
but me, I've not seen it, so that it won't be my.
Okay.
I want everyone to be able to see it too. Okay, good. I see dialog box. So you need to give it a name. You can just say, let's just say data without space. So everyone remember, the name of the event house is AI_SAT. But the name that we want to give event stream is data. It shouldn't be anyhow, though this is a demo. You should give a name that will talk about what the data that we want to pick is about. So click on create. When you click on create, it will be talking about data source, but you need to wait for us. If you click on create, what can you see?
It's rolling, so I'm waiting for that to create.
No problems.
It's loading current progress.
No problems.
So it has shown a new interface. Design a flow to ingest.
And let's just wait for it so that to ensure everyone. Everyone, can you see this? Design a flow to ingest, transform, and route streaming events. So Good. Look up, add source, top left, then drop down the add source. But if you see, it's just to explain it. Don't choose anything from there, but I just want you to.
Yes, yes.
So everyone look at this list. But what we want to use is to leverage on sample data. We can as well, instead of dropping down there, if you look at the middle of the canvas, you'll see that there's also connect to data source, use sample data set, or use custom. The same thing that you see on the drop down there is also on the middle of your canvas. So nobody says this is the only place to pick it. So choose sample data set. So when you choose that, now, if you drop down it is, you'll see two dialog boxes or two boxes. There is sample, there is source name, and there is sample. If you drop down the sample, there are 3 samples, but we are going to work with bicycle. These are stream, these are live data. But let's choose bicycle. And in the box where you say source name, we can, if I'm not talking, just not good. So we can rename this instead of bicycle. We can call it maybe my bike or our bike, just for short, so that it doesn't, you don't need to put space. You can write it together. My bike or something.
Okay.
No, don't put space. Good. I believe everyone is fine, right? If yes, we'll then click on add. Because there is no Control Z though. That's how I'm saying this. So let's click on add. Good. When you click on add, it will take us within the environment of the event stream. And you will see, I'll just use the link. You see some tables or some images connecting like line from one line to another, right? So the data that we got, the sample data, if you look at the bottom partition, you see that there is one table where you see a column called bike point ID, street, neighborhood, latitude, and so on. Of course, there are many other, but don't worry, you're fine. So, but if you look at it from the edit mode at the top, you see that there's okay, you can scroll back up a bit.
Okay. Yeah.
Like a map. Yes, thank you. When I don't respond sometimes because of the milliseconds delay. So this just show you that your event stream is called the sample, the name of that data source is my bike. But of course, the table inside is bicycle. Then you would see to your right, there is transform event. Hold on, transform event and destination, meaning that what we have done so far, right? We created a workspace, we created an event house, we have created an event stream, which we've now picked a data into the stream, right? We'll pick the data or the sample data, or we've gotten data into the stream. So we can edit, means that we can transform the data, because after we do that, we still need to send the data to where it should go to, which is the event house, which was the first thing we created, so that the data can be within that environment. So the last map to your right, or the last icon for the sake of simple, layman, you see transform and edit, transform event. Yes, drop it down. If you click on it, you'll see some list, then wait for me. Now, I really wish your voice was fine. I believe everyone can see your screen. No, I can see it. It's just to say I really wish it could be bigger so everyone see instead of you scrolling, but it's fine. So let's say scroll. No, you're fine. Just scroll after aggregate, expand, filter, group by join. Then you can click on manage field. Then something should open to your right, as if you want to edit. When you click, something should open to your right.
It's asking, the same setup is required.
Yes, you want to edit. Look at that pencil in the box. Correct. There should be something that opened. Good. Okay, in case someone did not get what we want to do, we are trying to transform that table or that bicycle. We want to kind of clean it, right? So you can see manage the event field by adding field or removing field or updating field name, just like what you would do when you get data into Power BI, where you say, I don't need this row, I don't need this column, I don't need all of that. But if you like, you can change the name, but don't worry. Meaning that operations name, and if you like, you can just maintain the same name. But click on add all field. When you click on add all fields, add all fields. If you've clicked, let me know. Good. That means that all the columns on the bike is added. So you can also, though we are not removing anything, if you look at the far right of each of them, you see 3 dots. Click on the ellipsis, the 3 dots in front of any of this. But we are not removing it. I'm just trying to. If you look to the far right, can you see? But we are not removing. That's just to let you know that you can edit, you can transform. You can say, I don't like the name, or I want to, but we are not removing. So that means that we have taken everything that we need. Then click on add field. Add field is the one before add all fields. Then if you scroll, you will be able to select. Maybe you need some built-in. Okay, I hope I'm not too fast, everyone. It's just that. Of course, thank you, Shegun, for providing your screen. If I use my screen, everything will be bigger.
No problem.
Everyone, are we fine, please? Or am I too fast? Or am I doing something that is strange? I need responses just to be sure, because this is how to do it.
I think you're on the right place from my own end.
Okay.
We are good, sir. We are good, sir.
Thank you, sir. So you will see built-in. It's just to say that but it's fine. Can you see built-in dates or built-in date from expand it? If you click on the arrow before it to expand, you can choose timestamp. Let's just use that instead of date. You see, I think is the first from the. No, if you expand, is there any way you can do your screen to be bigger? But anyways, if you expand built-in date, expand it.
Time function.
That you see
This
maybe current time or something.
Here.
Exactly, you can pick it, it's fine. So when you pick it, because you still have a lot of things to do. When you pick it, then scroll. Okay, the name is current time. If you like, you can change the name, but we can still leave the name as current time. So you can then add it. You can click on add.
I've added it, sir.
Okay. Now, there see some options that, anyway, just let me scroll down. If it's been added now. So thank you. Awesome. Thank you so much. Then you can click on save. So when you click on save, don't worry, the error is fine. It's not an error. If you see that after, just let me scroll, or you can drag this. I want people to see the last. Let me scroll back up so that they can see the map. Good. If you come in, you click on that plus now that you're seeing so that you can say this should go to, no, there's a, good. Click on this plus to your right. The manage field.
Okay.
Over your customer manage field and click on plus. You will talk about destination. Can you see? Can you see? Look at the bottom. Can you see destinations?
Yes.
Then say the place you should go is the event house.
Okay.
Click on event house.
Okay. So it's saying setup required.
Yes, go ahead. You have to edit it again. That is a pencil, so that you can tell it where exactly, which event house am I going to? You know the name of our workspace.
This particular one, AISAT.
Exactly. You get the point.
Then the KQL database.
Yeah. From the top, so that people can. There is no table yet, but I want people to see from the top. You get,
Okay.
I don't want them so that yeah. Then scroll gently. So we are telling this guy that this data, it should go into a destination called event house. And the name of the workspace is AI. Then scroll. You now say which event house. Now say this one, AI underscore site. You now say, okay, because we will need to query, and the query language of this is KQA. Without it, we cannot. So it's fine. Then scroll down. You now say there is no table. You now say create a new. You click on create new table.
Okay.
Then a dialog box will show when you click on create new.
Table name.
Let's call it bike or rent bike or bike renter, but don't put space. Anything we want to just, but don't put space. Bike renter is fine. Don't put plus. Or rent bike or bike renter. No, don't. Okay, you like underscore, it's fine. Don't mind. It's okay. Then click on done. Good. So scroll down. If everything is fine, then click on save. You have to, okay, good. Click on save. There shouldn't be any error again. Right? No more error, right?
Yes, no more error, sir. It's fine.
Good. Then, okay, let me pause. Everyone, do we understand what we have done so far? Are we fine? Can I proceed? Okay, I see.
So to get
up.
you, sir, sorry. So this manage field, it means that all these columns, we are taking them into this event house.
Correct.
That's what okay.
It will go into that table. You know, we've created the table now.
The
Before,
table,
that
okay.
thing that you are seeing is not table.
Okay.
Then look to your top right corner, you see publish.
Yes, publish.
Click on publish. Just wait for it.
Topology changes were published.
No problems. It's still loading, right?
Yes, it's still loading.
Yeah, so just wait for it. Because everyone, this is what will be happening like behind the scene. That means that this is just like a process flow or business process. So that is how it is, because this is real life data or streaming data, like which is like every second, like per second. So I'm still seeing loading. Okay, good, it's fine. It's loaded now. Don't worry, it is fine. So I believe everyone is also fine. Look at refresh to your top right corner. You can click on that refresh or the one in the middle, anyone. Just wait for it. I think you have clicked, so you're fine. So when it's done, I'm still seeing loading though.
It's still loading, sir.
No problems. So in case you show before I see it, just let us know.
Okay, it has loaded the table.
Correct. All right. So everyone, this is our table. We can scroll up, right? Look at data.
Back up here. And it's showing active here.
Okay, good. That's fine. Correct. So meaning that everything is fine. Now, what do we need to do? Okay, let's go back. We don't have to go back, but let's go back to the workspace. You know what I mean? AI and data community. So that people can see everything we've done. Thank you. If you have gone back, let me know. AI and data community.
I'm back in the workspace here, sir.
Are you seeing? Okay, good. Can you see the event stream is now here now? You know, it was not there before. It's what you call data. Look at it, is the last one. Yeah. So no problems. So let us go to KQA
The
database.
KPL data back.
KQA database. That's AI SAT.
Yes, yes. I'm there,
Correct.
sir.
Okay. Now, look at the top left corner. Click on event house. So we want to be in database, but click on event house, top left corner. Top left corner.
I've done that.
Good. Then come back to database. Click on databases. Or drop down this. It's fine.
It has actually loaded something in the
It's fine. You
video.
are fine. Yes.
Okay.
It's just so that people can see. If you scroll down, it will show you. This
think
is
the table-
real. Exactly. So this is what I wanted people to say. I don't want to use a shortcut so that people can see so if you scroll on your KQL database on the left, where you see AI_SAT, scroll, you see the table now. You know, we call it back renter. Yes, click on it. The name of the table, back renter. Correct. Just to show that everything is fine. Now, if you look up directly under event house there, but don't click it. Look at some of the list: visual exploration, get data, but you see KQL query set. Click on KQL query set. KQL query set. What name do you want to call it? What should we call it now? Just say bike, right? Just call it bike.
Let's say bike data sets.
It will be too long. It's fine. But it's, bike data is fine. Then click on create. So it will then take you to an environment where you can write query, like script. Just wait for it. You can cancel this.
Query set. Okay.
So reason why there is nothing I can do. Reason why I like that your screen is bigger, but it's okay. We'll manage it. So from the top, I want people to see this query. Of course, scroll so that we see the row 1. Now, it's just trying to say, okay, in case someone did not know what we want to do. Before you can do anything, or you can't do anything without this KQL, meaning that the table is there, but you need to see something, right? Meaning that you need to query. It's just like SQL, where you have for people that are SQL people, right? If you have management studio SSMS and you also have SQL and Server, and you have table, you must query the table. Meaning you must be asking questions from the table or about the table. So that is what we are talking about. And the way to ask questions in this environment is to use KQL. So here are a few articles. Just scroll down. Now, when you see this // I'm looking at row 7 now. Can you see? Say use take. Instead of in SQL where we say select top 10, it is take. So remove your underscore table name. Remove that row 8 and put the name of your own table.
The table is
bike underscore renter. That's the name of your table. Type it, but pick it. Okay, hold on. Everyone, let me know if you understand. We want to say this guy should give us, no, don't scroll. We want to execute or run this now to say, give me the first 100 rows. In order to write that in this environment, take is the select. Take is the select language.
Okay, Mr. Adide, please, a question. Please, what language are we using here? Because this is not SQL.
KQL.
That's the name of the language.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So I'm just helping anyone that is familiar with SQL. In SQL, select is what you use.
From, yes, sir.
Like I need top 10, top 100, but here it is called take.
Take, okay.
So select row 8 and 9 and then run. Click on run. It will then give you first 100 rows, like 100 rows. Then run.
So it has done that.
Okay. Instead, you can even remove 100 and say 5 so that people can see. But the point is, don't worry, it has worked. Instead of 100, you can just say 5. Then it will show you the top 5 rows. It's fine, anyone you do.
I've done 20.
Good. Now, then look at the second one, 11th row and 12. See how many records. You know, no, you must also put your table name on, but don't run it yet. You must put your
Yes,
table
I know.
name.
Yes.
Now, this will show you count of the rows from the table, meaning that how many records do we have on this table. So put your bike name or your table name, bike renter, pick it, then execute this. It will then give you aggregate, like the total. Can you see 334 is the total row that we have on that table. Now that table is live, but 334 rows is what we have, which we could say that 3, I wouldn't know. No, that is not the number of bikes anyways. Please run the one from the top, the one, and say 100. No, the put back 100. Then execute this. Run this. Thank you. So everyone, if you look at the columns, there is a back point ID, there is the street where bikes are, there is neighborhood, there is latitude to let us know the map where exactly, latitude, number of bikes available, or are there no bike dock, like no empty dock, and so on. Then the time that we added from the built-in, you get to let us know the exact time, because of course, management will want to see real life. And then let's go back to the query so that we can then issue query. You can scroll down now within the query. No, don't worry about this. Then scroll down.
It is 16. I'm on 16 now.
And I know. Okay, scroll. We want to write our, like, okay, don't worry. Just come to 18. Come to 18. If you are there, let me know. You know, there is nothing there in 18, right?
Yes, it's empty.
Then go to 19 so that we can use one line to separate the query before.
Yes.
So I want us to write so that people can understand how to write. We can also use SQL in this environment, which I'll be showing shortly. Now, let's say that, okay, just type the name of your table. It's going to show them, pick it.
I should type what?
The name of your table, bike renter.
Yeah, bike renter.
As you are typing, it's going to then pick it. Good. See this pipe. That is, it must come with it. This pipe, how will I say it now? It is the chain. Anyways, this one that is like L, that is like that, is called pipe. So everyone don't worry, it must come up with it. Like it must be there on every line to connect. It's like a chain. So type where, we're typing where, post, you have to put space, just like you're saying.
Okay.
Where, type where. Is a function, it will come up. Normal where to filter.
Yes.
Pick it. Where what? Where neighborhood. Everyone, I'm looking at the table below also, so don't think I'm not using my head. It is this table. As you type, the column from this table will show. Equals. So you have to type equality sign. Equal to, like equal in mathematics. You can type it twice. Equal to is an equality sign here.
Okay. Equals.
If you type, then you can then put shift quotes. Double quotes. You can just say Chelsea. It could be anything, double shift quotes. Then Chelsea. Then press enter. So go to the next row.
Yes. Okay.
Then in order to help you on your keyboard, right? Shift, that's slant. What do you call / or forward something? Shift.
Is this one?
So
is it this one?
Exactly
this
correct.
One?
You're fine. No.
Okay.
That's that pipe.
Okay.
Correct. Then you can type project. I will explain. I will say the meaning.
Project.
When you type project, it will show.
Sir.
Project what? Current time. You added
Current
that
time.
column. You would, as you are typing, you will also come up. Current time, comma, I will explain this. I will explain what this means. Then number of bike, NO underscore, as they are typing number of bike. I'm looking at the column so that we understand. Then enter to another row. It's not that it can't be written on a straight line, no, but it's to say for readability. Then type render.
Render.
Yes,
This
render
render.
will also answer you. Render is also. Now,
Yes, sir.
if I want it to show, but I don't want it to show as a table, I will explain this before we execute. Type column. As I are typing column, it's also going to show. Column chart.
charts.
Correct. So let me explain in English what we've typed. Before you can do anything, you must mention the name of the table. I'm not practically saying that KQA said yes. I need you to show current time and number of bike. Then visualize it with column chart where neighborhood is Chelsea, meaning that only give me Chelsea's number of bike or available bike in Chelsea neighborhood and the time, and use, I can say you should use a table. I can say render by table. Okay, let me pause. Everyone, are you fine? Do you understand? Okay. Are we fine or are we?
I am good, sir. Everybody, please respond to.
So that it doesn't look like, because this is me using the layman to explain this.
Hello, sir. I have a
Okay.
question.
Go ahead, please. Yes, sir.
Although I understand what the code is doing, but what actually is the project actually doing? The word project.
Okay.
What does the project keyword mean?
Oh, show. Meaning that bring back.
Okay.
Only show me these two columns. Don't show me everything.
Okay, so thank you.
You're welcome. Someone said I should recap. So we are trying to, the English language of this thing that I are seeing is that, okay, in SQL, right? Select, don't mind me, but select, what am I selecting? Current time, comma, number of bike. That is what we should bring back. Where what? Neighborhood is a column. Where neighborhood is equal to Chelsea, then show it. Don't show it at the table, show it on a column chart. Let me know if the English is clear for the person that said recap. In SQL, you must say from. So that from is the bike renter, which is the table. So please, Shegun, you can run this.
Okay. Up onto bike rental, right?
Correct. You must mention the table where this thing is coming from.
Okay. So it's loading that and it has run it.
Correct. Do we understand? I'm just saying, that's exactly what we say should do. I'm not saying.
Understood.
Thank you. Good. Now, press enter. Let's write another code.
Okay.
We can see alter this. In short, alter this and say as table instead of column chart. That should render as table instead of column chart.
So should I render this as table? Should I change
Correct.
This?
Remove column chart and change it as table. While you are typing table, it's also going to show. Remove the column chart and then say table. Then execute. Remember to select the table name. Okay. Correct. So that people can understand. You can see it's giving us just the two columns we said it should show. Now, you can enter so that we go to another row and then write another.
Okay, so Mr. Jide, I want to understand something.
Go ahead, please.
Is it not okay for us to also show the
we can show many things.
Column.
We can show many things. We are still going to write script, but it's just to keep it simple. So that's why we want to run another script.
Okay, all right.
So you can enter so that we have empty one, then we enter twice so that we have correct. Now you remember anything you want to run, it must be against the table. So you mention the name of the table first.
Okay, so still bike rental.
Correct. Now, let's do. Okay, say projects.
Projects.
Okay. Don't worry. It's just I'm just thinking about projects. Yes, it's fine. Project. Okay. Bike point. As you're typing, it's going to
project what?
Bike point.
Okay.
As you're typing, will show up.
Bike point ID.
comma street, yes, by point ID, comma street, comma neighborhood, comma latitude, comma longitude, comma number of bike. Because you know you asked for us to say, can't we project comma number of bike, comma number of empty dock. At the top is going to show number empty dock, then current time, comma current time. Then you can run this
Okay.
and see what you have.
Okay.
Okay.
Have it.
Okay. Now go to another line. Let's now write SQL. So that even if you are this guy is kind of straightforward. If of course you want to, if you are conversant with SQL, maybe you want to be writing SQL, it will allow you, but you will need to put something that will let him use it. This is what I mean. No, what I've said, I didn't say it correctly. I'm saying that I don't know how to write KQL for now. I want to write SQL. Will they allow me? Yes, on one condition. You'll see it now. For type select, hold on. Remove the select and press once, enter once, so that I have one space. Making two spaces. There is a reason. Thank you. Then type select neighborhood.
Okay.
Comma sum, the open brackets. What we also answer is the function here. In the middle, number of bike.
Number of bikes.
Correct. Pick it as you can put, you know, just like SQL code. Because if you say it should sum, it will say what name. Because if you don't put name, there won't be column header for this.
Okay.
As total bike, you know, sum of bike will give us total bike.
Did I
Total
put in a
bikes.
string or just there?
No type total bikes.
Okay.
Is the name of a column. Total bikes. You can don't put space. Okay, good, it's fine. Then press enter from because from rental bike. That's the name of your table.
Bike rental.
Oh, bike rental. Forgive me.
Yes, sir.
So then group by press enter, then another line. Don't put comma. Group by is a function. Group then by.
Okay.
Just know there's a delay. You have typed, then say group by neighborhood.
Group by neighborhood. Or the group by, should it be together or is this?
Don't worry, it's fine. That's the way it's supposed to be.
Okay.
Now, you can't run this.
Okay.
So go to row 7 and type explain. Put explain there in row 27. Row 27, sorry.
Okay.
Row 27. That's the reason why we created. Put explain in row 27.
Explain.
Correct, explain. Then select all of this that you have written and then run it.
Okay.
It will tell you how it should be written in KQL. Do you understand?
Okay. Amazing.
Everyone, please, do you understand? You can then copy this and then maybe you go to row 32.
So I can go to another row and
correct.
Paste that.
Yes, paste what you have
and copied. I can run this.
Yes. Everyone, please, do you understand?
This is so amazing.
Yes,
please take that again.
Okay. Now, go look at this. To say me, I do not know. This is your KQL. I don't understand fabrics. Yes, what I know is I know how to write SQL. Can you allow me to write SQL in your environment? They said yes, but you must put explain so that I can show you how you should write it in my own environment. Now, the meaning of select neighborhood. Select simply means give me or bring. You know, we are querying the table. So I'm not practically saying, please, bring neighborhood column and also bring number of bike, but don't bring number of bike. Help me add it, sum it up. So when you sum the number of bike, give it a name as total bikes. Where am I going to bring neighborhood and number of bike? There is a table called bike renter. That's why we put from bike renter. Now, when you are bringing it, since you'll be bringing neighborhood and the total, because some would aggregate, I must put group by in SQL. Though this is not SQL environment. And now I'm not asking this guy to say, this is what I want to do in your environment too. But I know you will not allow me. You will now say, okay, put explain. I'm now practically telling him that, please explain how I need to write this in your environment. That's why we put explain. So I will now select explain and everything and then execute. It will then show me how this can be written in its own environment. Please run.
This
So you
is
now
the KQL code
exactly
conversion of this from SQL to KQL here.
correct.
So now I can copy this
Yes,
and paste it here, Control V, and this is now the
correct.
KQL code, which I can
Yes,
now run.
exactly. So what this means is that means that group by in Power in SQL it means summarize. Thank you. So group by in SQL means summarize in this environment because what they are saying now, exactly. Project man means select. You know that when I talk about show, what do I? Okay, I didn't know it was this cheap. Somebody said I've heard about. Okay, good. Now, summarize. Anyways, and this simply means that group by, right? Everyone, don't be confused. This is just the environment. So you have to speak the language of Rome or people in Rome when you get there, no matter what you want to do. So you mention the name of the table first in this environment. You will now see summarize total bike, right? Equals to sum of number of bike by neighborhood. Then show me, only show me neighborhood and total bike. So that's how this is written. And I believe that it's good. Meaning that don't worry, don't stress yourself. If you don't know how to write this and you are used to SQL, be writing your SQL, let this guy be explained. Then you now copy and then paste, and then execute. Let's do, I think you're fine. You can do many things, I tell you. But let's do, I think we're good. Okay, let's do one more thing. Please, we can put enter. Oh, your hand is up. Somebody's hand is up. Please go ahead. Is there a question,
Yeah,
Mr.?
thank you so much, sir.
Please go ahead, sir. You're welcome.
I wanted to ask, thank you so much for the insightful part this afternoon. I wanted to ask if it is, this is just restricted to SQL. What about other programming languages? Can we also write it like this? Then it interprets it and give us the results.
I've not tried
it. Is
it,
it restricted to Microsoft SQL?
No. I'm not sure. I've not tried it before. It's only because I'm an SQL guy. So I have not tried Python before. Of course, I read Python, but I've not tried this. You get the point. But I want to believe.
No problem.
I want to believe as long as you put explain, whatever you write, he would answer. I want to believe so. I will check it later. Great. Yes, sir. So
that's great.
Please,
I have my environment set up already. So maybe later on.
I'm happy about that. So let's write one more. Remember, anytime you want to do something, you must mention the name of the table first. Please go ahead, put the name of the table, and then summarize total bike. Now you know that at least you have an idea now. Summarize total bikes. You get. No, it will be nice. You know, it's going to come as the header of the column. So it will be nice that you write it in proper case. Total bikes, if you want to use underscore, put it anyhow, equal to sum of number of bikes. You can put space. Good. Equals to sum of number of bikes. Number of bikes, you'll see it when you write, you can pick it. Then by streets. Correct. By streets. Streets. then project streets, comma, total bikes.
Is that okay?
Remove the, yes, that's all. Remove the
Okay.
comma. I can then say, normally execute this is fine.
120 records.
Correct. Now, we want to continue. Press enter. We want to continue the same script. Oh. Render
Yes.
as column. Don't put as render column chart so that I can show
Okay.
this.
Render column chart.
Don't put shift code or column chart. Pick it when you see it. So
Did I
you
run
can
it?
then run this, then it will show as column chart.
Okay.
Good. Now, if you look to your right, you see that you can still say come to visual type. You can use drop down visual type. Can you see? You can still use no. You want to scroll back up. Look at visual type. There's a drop down in front of is it line chart? Is it this one? Is it that one? So meaning that you can still kind of manually do drag and drop. You get. But let's put it as you are free. If some will not be able to render because
Yes,
of
yes.
the exactly. So now let's say that we want to do average. You can, instead of sum, just edit that to average. So what will you do? You will not say, you will not write average in full. AVG.
Did I still
Instead
use
of
the
sum.
same query?
You can use the same query, it's fine. So you can say AVG. Then you can
AVG.
execute. Yes.
Okay. So this is average.
I hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So meaning that we can proceed. So I need you to write another one. Well, then we would stop shortly. Don't worry. When I say we stop, we'll proceed to the next. I want to be done in 5 minutes.
Mr. Jide, don't forget the feedback form as well. I don't know if Mr. Rashid is there, sir.
No, I get you. Okay, I will send it. Now help me write.
At this point, we need to get the feedback now, please.
Okay.
The class is stopping the next 5 minutes. So I will need Mr. Shegun to help us drop the feedback form. So
Mr. Rashid, please let me forward it to you from my phone.
Okay.
I will do that shortly. I'm sorry, everyone. I'm holding my phone now, so because I don't open WhatsApp when I'm working, so I won't be able to. Because once I open WhatsApp, messages will just be dropping, and just a moment, please. Okay. I forwarded it to you, Mr. Rashid, on WhatsApp.
Okay.
So you can imagine now, because I sent message now, one notification came up. So, sir, please help me write this. Shegun, please help me write. Mention the name of the table. Oh, Mr. Rashid, please, you have the floor or should I proceed?
Okay, so everybody, I want us to open our chat box now and fill that feedback form. The essence of the feedback form is some people gave a feedback that battered this class. So your feedback too will help us to know what to do next. Because as we all know that this is an NGO and we are there to impact lives. And so again, we still need to know what our customer wants. We are the company, or let's say we are manufacturer. So you don't just produce product and send it out. You need to really know what your customer wants. So we are your customer. You are our customers. So kindly go to the form now and fill it. And when you fill, come to the chat room and type done. Because I'm online later. If we don't fill it, I will see it.
please, I have to hold the class so that I'm sure all of us want the facilitator to round up and so that we can really go and practice what he has been teaching us. So let's quickly do that. Take some minutes. No, it's not much. Just few questions. How many of us have tried? Can I see your done message? I've not seen any. If you know you have filled the feedback form, I want to see your done message in the chat box.
Please, let's respond. We still have like 10 minutes so that we are still going to do a live dashboard. We're also going to show Power BI report with this, and we're also going to put trigger, like an alert, when you give a condition to say, because you want to know if they are ordering Uber, let's say you are the manager of Uber, all of this renters stuff. So you want to know how many do we have left so that you can quickly route some other people to go to one area that there is congestion, people need more. So this is to help management real time. They see how cars are moving, or since we are using bike, they see how many bikes are on this particular street, how many people are ordering from this, so that they can say, call some people to quickly go to that place. So, and we are not there yet. This is just query that would help us, because without this query, we cannot even do any visual. That's why we are querying to show all of these column chart. This
okay,
one.
thank you. Thank you, Mr. Shego. Thank you, Olatubos. Thank you, Indamola. Thank you, Greg. Thank you, Kalistu. So we just have 7 people out of 23. Please, at least minimum, let's even have 60% of attendees here. We also have 7 people. We are still waiting. That's 8. Thank you. No, 1, 2, 3. We see, no, 1, 2, 3. Only 5 people. We are more than this, please. Let us try. Or should I start calling names? Let's try. We need this feedback, please. Thank you. Waiting. Let us not keep our speaker waiting, please. We are 24 on the call. Can get 14, then we move on. Thank you, Mr. Shegun. So thank you, Indamola Dada. Thank you, Kalistu Zagina. Thank you, Madam Aloto. Thank you so much. We're still waiting. Thank you, Mr. Shitu Akinwale. Thank you, thank you. Let's try, at least get 14 people, then we move on out of 24. Thank you, Mr. Abubakar. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Let's try. Thank you, Akodo Olariwaju. Okay, Greg wants to ask a question. Thank you. Let's fill our feedback on. Greg, go ahead with your question.
Yeah. Good afternoon, sir. It's not really a question, just a reminder. We're still waiting for the videos for last week to do the assignments, Power BI, the one we had last week. Then 2,
okay.
I made a request before, which hasn't been granted. It's like my system got crashed. So I needed the link, how to create the Microsoft Fabric video. I asked for it before, but it has not been posted since then.
I didn't hear that, okay?
There was a video that was sent for us before, but my system crashed, so I lost that info on
how to get Microsoft Fabric.
Yeah, how to create it and all that.
Okay, fine. You get it.
Thank you.
Make sure you get a better video.
A better system.
Okay, can we proceed now? Just to be sure, I hope my internet is fine.
Okay, so Mr. Ajide, you can go. Mr. Ajide, you can go on.
Thank you, sir. So thank you, everyone. Now, my point is you could issue, but remember from the slide that this is not like Power BI report. It is like real time. So it's not going to be 20, 30 visuals. No. It's only going to talk to major things that management want to quickly see and make like informed decision right now. So, excuse me. Let's just write one more code. Script. Oh, okay. I wanted us to write two. So you can go ahead and say where neighborhood equals. Please go ahead.
You
Where
mean
neighborhood.
where or summarize? Is it? Can I use
No,
where?
no. Where? Of course. Yeah, just categorically say select. Yes, don't worry.
Okay, where neighborhood
Yes, where
equals.
neighborhood equals equality time 2. West, put quotation before it.
Okay.
2 equal to, which means equality. Then quotation before west end.
Is it capital letter?
Hold on, sir. The equality sign must be 2. Anyways, hold
Okay,
on.
okay,
Don't bother.
okay,
Don't bother.
okay.
No. Leave it as 1. It's fine.
Okay.
It's okay. Then put space. Don't put it as 2. See. Then space where you are now, west end. End in END. It's part of the list on the neighborhood.
Okay, is there an underscore? I think
There's no underscore. No, there's no
Okay.
underscore. When you run this code before I saw it, don't put an underscore, but there's space. It is a name of a place that is in a column. So
Okay.
there is
Okay.
west, exactly. Then press enter, summarize. Thank you, Mr. Abraham. Summarize available bikes. You can write it
Available.
together. Yes. You know group by, don't worry, you're not an don't worry. Just write this together. Available bikes. It's not a column. It is the name, like an alias. Available
Okay.
bikes
Mm-hmm.
equal to AVG. I want to know average AVG number of bikes. Number of bikes. Number of bikes is the column.
It's there.
By street. What this simply means, by street, what this simply means is that on the average, give me the available bikes per street. Let me know if you understand. That is what we have written. Where neighborhood is west end. Please run this.
I'm getting an error, sir.
Exactly, because of the underline.
Yes,
you know why?
This neighborhood equals to west end.
Exactly. That equality that you didn't put is deliberate,
Okay.
so that you understand that in this environment, 2 equal to.
Okay.
Are you fine now? There won't be any red line.
That's run now.
Good, thank you. It was deliberate, so that sometimes error make us understand better. Now you can say this should render as, then you know what I mean. That means you can add another and say render as.
Render as column chart.
Yes. But everyone can go on instead of this decimal that we're having too many of it. I can also put something, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to do too much of that now. But
available bikes.
On the average, per street in that neighborhood. So
and
now,
is this result in real time, sir?
Yes, it
meaning
is.
that it can change as we are looking
It can
at
change.
it.
Yes, it is real time because it is the data we're using is the streaming data.
Okay.
So now let's say we need this one. Though I don't want to write many things, so it's fine for now because of time. Can you see pin to dashboard at the top? Click on pin to dashboard. Up to your top right.
Dashboard name or in a new dashboard.
Oh, you've clicked right. Say new one because you don't have anyone yet.
Yes. So I should give it a name.
Of course, you must. Any name you call it now because I'm looking at the time. But don't put a space.
Report. Bike report. File name.
Any name. Right. This your
no space for dashboard name.
This it has accepted it too. It will, but okay, it's fine because of time, no problems. Now okay, it will take you to the dashboard because I wanted you to type. If you just put anyhow name on that chart, you are saying bike. The name that you gave to this is actually a street where something. Okay, so you can't just say bike. Yes. But okay, it can be edited. Don't worry. Okay. If you look to your top right corner, can you see viewing? If you drop down viewing, you can then edit it. Look at top
Oh.
right corner. Top right
View
corner.
doing.
Like
Yes, editing.
to the extreme. Correct.
I can edit this.
Exactly.
So tile name should be West End.
West End something.
West End.
Anyhow, well, average
Apply
West End or
changes.
something. Yes, you can apply changes.
That affected it, sir.
Correct. Now, so everyone, we can go back and you get the point, but let's just say this is.
Sorry, sir. How did you pin the chat?
Okay, let's go back to where we're coming from.
I go back to the community or the bike data.
The no community. If you go back, that's where we're coming. Where we've been writing
Is it
scripts.
to the streaming?
Correct. Just click where you are. Don't worry. If it's no, not streaming. Bike data. No, not streaming.
Bike data.
Anyways, don't worry. Yes. But wait, something exactly.
Okay.
So let's scroll down, right? Let's do another. Let's change this now. Don't worry. Let's copy this and paste. We'll just adjust this.
Okay. Okay.
So what you will need to alter would be
I think there was Virginia.
Don't worry, no, let's say, do you want that? It's fine. Because I want to just do another thing so that this will show in decimal. After the equal to before average, put round. ROND. It's a function.
RAND.
Rounding. After the equal to before
Okay.
average.
Okay.
Round. I want you to round it into 2 decimal instead of long one. In case you didn't get it, hold on. Don't render. Sorry, remove render as column and clustered or column. And remove your round first also, so that you understand. I want everyone to see this. Then remove the round though.
I've done that, sir.
Then you can execute. This will show as a table with plenty decimal places.
Yes.
Okay. From mine, there is a delay, but if you have seen it, fine. I'm not saying that.
I can see it.
I'm not saying instead of all of these many decimal places, we want to round to just 2 decimal. So before average, ROUND.
RO.
Correct.
O. Round. Okay. Round.
ROUND.
Okay.
Then you can copy. If you don't want to type, you can copy the average something inside of this, or type average where you are.
Inside the round also.
Sorry, remove everything from street to round so that we know we want to start from there. Remove everything from street to round. Correct. So remove the 2 inside of this bracket and type average, AVG.
Okay. Inside the bracket, AVG.
Correct. AVG.
Okay.
Which is average. Average is also a function that would also open bracket.
Okay.
Yes.
Number of bike now. Inside the average. Number of bytes. If it is done. Is it done?
I'm done with that, yes, sir.
Then come out for after the average now and put
Yes,
comma 2. Comma 2.
Okay.
Then come out of the round close bracket and put by straight.
Okay.
Then you can execute.
Okay.
So you should have 2 decimal places.
2 decimal places, yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
So okay, then use this as when the visual. Okay, let's render as you just render as a table. You can render. Okay, though this is a table, but I still want you to say render as table so that we can. Yeah.
Can pin the dashboard.
Then yes, you can then run this. We'll then pin this to dashboard.
Okay. So this is it, sir. Render as table.
Thank you, sir. Then pin to dashboard. So the person that missed this, please look up. Look at pin to dashboard. It's just that maybe there is a delay from his end or from my own.
This pin to dashboard here.
Can we confirm?
Yeah. Please, can you look? See, I want to see, please.
Look at his cursor.
Okay. I can see it from my end.
So click on pin to dashboard. We want to
New
put to
dashboard.
existing. No, not new.
Okay.
Existing dashboard.
Bike reports.
Yes. You now say add to. Correct.
So
Hold on,
this should
sir.
be a different tile.
Don't worry, it's just I want people to see it. And give it another name. What is this one doing?
So will be.
Don't worry, just put a name. The point is we understand, right? Just put a name so that we can end the class in.
Okay.
And just put a name. Then you can then go ahead.
If you open it, it opened the other page by itself.
And no problem. So we always navigate it. Since you say by default we say open when you pin. There is that
This is
checkbox.
second dashboard now.
Oh.
West end.
No, it's exactly. When you say second dashboard, it's one dashboard, but with two
second
visions.
tile, sorry. Yes.
So it's fine. So everyone, so let's now say this is, I mean, you get the point, we are fine, and this is ready. Can you see set alert at the top? Oh, we also, don't worry. Let's not do this. Let's go to, it's just as I want to stop now because of time. Let's go back to the workspaces. I mean,
so sorry, Mr. Jide. So if we set the alert for any of this tile, if anything changes, is that what it means? That it will alert you?
Of course.
Something has changed in this dashboard or in this tile rather.
But I don't want to set on one. So let's go back to AI community, AI and data community. Excuse me. So that everything we have been doing, we'll see it here. Can you see that it's becoming long? So I want you to go to event stream.
Event stream, data here, event stream, the last one.
Yes, data. Okay. Something is loading, right?
Yes, it's loading.
So you can click on the name event stream under destination on your left.
This event house, you mean?
Oh, no. Apologies. I thought it has loaded.
It has loaded now.
Okay, good. Please click on data insights under data preview. If you scroll down, see everything. Can you see last hour? This is real time, just so you know. So this is like happening, but if you drop that, but don't worry, look at last hour, drop it down to your right. But don't alter anything, it's fine, it's okay. So let's go back to, we are not editing. Let's go back to our dashboard. Is it bike report? I don't even know what we call it now.
Yes, it's bike reports. This is the dashboard.
Okay. So you can just set alert, is fine. Normally, or something's supposed to show, which I'm not seeing for you. But it's fine. Choose this.
Is it supposed to be in editing then?
No. But go ahead with editing. It's not supposed to be. It's a button that's supposed to be somewhere. It's not. You are not editing. It's supposed to just be. It's fine. Now look up. Can you see set alert? Let's just do this. It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry. Let's just do this. It's not supposed to just be for one. It's supposed to be for the entire. So when you click on set alert, something ought to show. Please, to your right. Good. Now, you are saying that no, don't scroll too fast. You are saying you want to set alert. Maybe management want to say when, normally I should write a script, but I didn't want to because of time. That when bike is less than 30, they should get notification. So look at condition. I don't know if you want every 5 minutes or every 1 hour or something. So what this would do is that it would check if something is less based on the criteria, so that you can know that a bike in this route is less than 5 and people are demanding, so that when you get notification, you can quickly call whoever is managing that to deploy more bikes to that place. So just send anyone is fine, just for sake of the demo.
I should just set this one to.
It's fine.
Okay.
Drop down each event, each event.
Yes, it's just
condition.
One thing that is the only event grouped by.
Then condition.
Yes.
Drop down condition.
Number becomes less than.
Exactly. Choose anyone, maybe less than. When it is less than what, you then type. Just type anyone for now. You now say, I will send you email. And you have to scroll down, then you see save or create or something. You must choose. There's something you have not fulfilled at the top. You must go ahead. Pick where it's supposed to.
Create new item.
Correct. Yes. So that
my
you give
activator
it.
Or my bike activator.
Anyone or target.
Okay.
Or anything.
Okay.
Then create. So what will happen is, as you see me, like I receive, because I've done something, so I get notifications like in my email when there is drop of that thing. So, but just know that this is what we need. So if you set alert, you'll be getting email based on the condition, unless you then go and edit and say, okay. But they will be getting alert because you want to make informed decision right now to say there are fewer bike on this route. Let's deploy more. So thank you so much, everyone. Any question, please? If you scroll down, you should see. Can you see alert was successfully created? Yes, Mr. Shitter. If you can open the alert.
Good evening, Mr. Jide.
Good evening, sir.
Thanks for your insightful lecture.
I'm not done Power BI, but time has gone. Go ahead, sir.
Okay.
Don't worry about this, Shegun.
Okay. The dashboard.
Yes.
Hello. The dashboard that we've just created here.
Yes.
Is there anywhere, anyhow we can copy the link and send it to an organization to check for the movement? I mean, the real-time whatever that we have just done. Can we copy it and send it somewhere where they can open it again? Where it can be opened?
If you say send it to an organization where it can be, I will say no, because maybe your question is, but let me answer it this way. You know, we created a workspace.
Yes.
Within that workspace, people that will see this must be added to that workspace.
Okay, must be added to it.
Correct. They must be in the workspace.
Okay.
I hope you understand.
Can we know your name and where you are joining from, please? Hello?
My name is Shitu. My name is Shitu.
Don't worry, I can hear you. Maybe it's his internet. Mr. Shitu, go ahead.
Okay. You are that all those people.
No, he's asking for your name and where you are joining from.
My name is Shitu Inua Akinwale, joining from Ile Ife.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So go ahead, Mr. Shitu.
Yeah, you are the one talking that those people must be added to this
within the workspace.
Within the workspace, yeah.
Correct.
Okay. So why I'm doing the work, they too can check it and get the update.
You are not even the owner of the work.
Okay, yes, because the data is an online data anyway.
No, it's not even about online data. If I work for an organization, for instance, let's say I'm working for a streaming company, right? I mean, a company that has streaming, whatever transaction. I am the data analyst they have employed, right? Okay. I am to do this for the end user. So I will add them to the workspace. They will be seeing this. Not only I'm the one that will be getting email, I also add them so that they can get notifications as things are changing.
Okay.
I hope I answered it correctly.
Yes. And the second question, please. this workspace, how can we have it on our own too, like for practicing?
Okay.
The environment.
So,
how can
okay. You must have, if you look up, you must have a company account. And if you work for a company, the company that wants to engage as a data analyst or fabrics analyst would provision license for you to be able to use Fabric. But you can still use trial with SIN for a stipulated period of 60 days anyways, right? But you can't use personal email. It must be a company's email.
So if I don't have a company email, what of an institution email? Like
of course, now it's a company now. That institution is an organization. It's not at gmail.com or at Yahoo, unless you work for Yahoo. There will be a corporate email where you can sign into the domain of Yahoo. So your institution, either you work for a school, so at oau.org. That is, you get.
Okay. Yes. So how can I have the environment? How can I what's it called? Open it on my own environment, on the system, on my own system for practicing.
Okay, so you would go to, so that's one of the things one of us requested from Mr. Rashid. So you will share. Are you on WhatsApp? Are you on the group?
Yes, I'm on the
no
platform.
Problem. So you can also drop a message on WhatsApp again to say they should please share the configuration or the setup of Microsoft Fabric's account. Okay. I hope that answers for you.
Yes, sir. Yes, thank you very much. I'm much good.
Yes, Mr. Oyindamola, please go ahead.
I thought okay. Well done, sir. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this particular one. I really appreciate it because to me, it looks more or less like Power BI service. So it looks more or less like Power BI service. So I wanted to know if, just to add to the question that the previous speaker mentioned, that you can actually put some kind of restriction, then you can put some kind of notification. I want to know, does this also work like the way Power BI service work?
When you say restriction, are you talking about role level security within the workspace environment?
Yeah, role level security. Yeah, okay. Role level security.
So I get your point. Remember that this is streaming data. It is only people that should have access that you are to the workspace. And the reality is that the standard is that you do not assign admin, member, or contributor to anybody. End users are assigned viewers. I hope you understand. They cannot edit. They cannot manipulate anything.
Yes, viewers.
You are the data analyst. Yeah. Exactly. So they will not see edit. Yes. So let's say I'm the data analyst, you are the MD. You now give instruction to me to say, let me get notification when our products are maybe 1,000, remaining 1,000 pieces. Then it is my responsibility to then effect that. It's not the one, you can't do that. So meaning that I'm giving you viewer as MD. You are not supposed to edit. I'm the data analyst that can come and edit this. So they will just be getting notifications.
Okay.
Of course, you will see the dashboard.
Okay. So
but they cannot edit. Yes, go ahead.
Okay. Okay. My second question is, can we also get this, like the data we work on, can we also get maybe a data from another source, like normal, your Excel file, or probably you can use SQL database from SQL
data,
and just
because things are changing. You know, it's not static. This is streaming data. Yes. So as things are changing, you want to be getting notifications so that you can make informed decision on the go, near real time. So this is not like Power BI and dashboard that you schedule refresh. You know, in Power BI, if you want to be seen, you have to schedule refresh. This one, we are not scheduling any refresh. We only give a condition to say when something is lower than this, then send me. So this is not about scheduling of refresh. I hope you understand.
Okay.
This is based on.
I get you right. The last question, sir.
Okay.
So the last question: this particular fabric, is it probably just for a data engineer or a data scientist or a data analyst? Who are the people that make use of it very well?
That make use of it very well.
Others to have question. No?
Okay.
Sorry, I'm done. That's my last question.
Every data guy, except database administrator, would have an idea of this environment. But majorly,
Others to have
Microsoft.
question. No. Only you don't finish our time. Oh.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
So data analyst using Microsoft Fabrics, data engineer, yes, data scientist. The point is that you are visualizing, right? So yes, Mr. Rashid. And any other question, please? Any other question? Any other question, please? Somebody. Okay, so Mr. Yudamola, I hope I answered you correctly.
You did not answer the last question correctly, sir, but I'm okay.
So I'm saying that because I was thinking someone was asking. So I'm saying that.
Ask your question. In 1 minute, please.
Okay, so I'm saying that.
I'm done now. We are waiting for you.
Everyone that you have mentioned would use this as long as they need to visualize. A data analyst will create reports. So anyone that is going to be creating reports, right? Will need to use this. But this is actually for a data analyst because we create reports.
Okay.
I hope you understand.
Okay.
So
I get you.
like Microsoft developer. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm used to Power BI service and I'm used to Power BI reports. So I publish my reports, my report to Power BI service, then I create the dashboard there. So the fabrics is just so amazing.
Okay. There's still Power BI, but we can't do that. It's cheap, but it's fun because of time. We have spent too much. So Mr. Rashid, any other question, please, so that we can just end now. This is fun, though. Normally, I'm someone that keeps to time, if not for the delay that we experienced before. Okay. If there is no questions, right, then I can stop recording. And I will say thank you so much, everyone, for being with us today. So we'll make the video available as soon as it is.
Any other question? Hope we're good.
Are we all fine, please?
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much. Then I'll stop recording. Bye for now, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you for the love. Okay, Mr.
Thank
Rashid,
you
go
so
ahead.
much, our facilitator. This is it. Are we all good?
Yes, your internet is breaking, but go ahead.
Okay. So before we go, confirm that you can see my screen, everybody.
It's blank from my end. I don't know if others can see it. It's grayed out.
Hello.
It's blank.
Confirm that you can see my screen.
Your internet is kind of bad. Your internet
see my
is
screen?
bad.
Blank.
Rashid, your internet is bad. It is blank.
Oh, okay.
It's not going to hear us. Definitely, he can't hear anything. So it's fine.
He's hearing, but he can't hear as at when
Clearly.
we say it.
Okay.
But I'm sure he got it now.
Can you guys hear me now?
We can hear you, but there is a delay because your internet is bad.
Okay, so I want to announce to all of us that there will be no class in the next 2 weeks.
Okay.
Oh, let me see if I can join with my phone. So I want to